So we're inside the train station, so we're gonna go up there. It's 6 minutes and then 19 minutes. So there's a couple of them. Before we even go up there, we're gonna show you where we are. We're near Jockey Club, so we're here. So we're the second to last one, and I think I'm just gonna go all the way across and just kind of film as much as we can. Maybe get all the way to the airport and just kind of see what the airport looks like now at this moment, or we could stop at one of these casinos along the way. So so stay tuned. That's the outside of it as well, and we are going to go up into that spot. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. On the train line, so this is going to go across Macau, so we'll use some of the phone for some of it and kind of give you an idea. So that's the Jockey Club right there. That's our entrance spot, and I have another really good one I'm going to put at the end of this one. It's called end to end, the train line end to end, and I can't put my camera over it, but we're going to have the trains gonna come in here in a second. So once we get on the train, we're going to have some really good views. This is basically the Cotai is all the casinos, which is what we're going to be going through, so we get a really good view of the casinos. And then this is basically Taipa Centro, and there's a couple hotels there. There's one, that brown one, that's like, I think that's Golden Dragon or Golden View, but actually just kind of have a wall of apartments all the way down, right? So it's kind of cool. And then right over here we even have another one that's quite big as well. And we're waiting for our train, and here comes our train right now. So yeah, I can also watch my other one that has end to end, so I'll put it at the end where you can watch it. And here comes our train. So let's just see. It says move further to wait for the train, so I think this is going to be the main entrance right here. And there's the train. So we'll kind of catch it as it comes in here. And I'll probably just turn the camera on and off, but I do have that other one. It's end to end, it's about a 20-minute video. And you can see all the stations and some pretty good views as well. So let's come on into the train. Okay, so we're in the train now. So that's our Jockey Club, and it's kind of a small train. There's only one car. So we're gonna get some nice views. So we'll kind of take a look as we go. So stay tuned for that. Then I can see the views of the Taipa tall buildings. So this is basically all the residential area. And this one is called Keiko, the station that we're going to come out to next is called Keiko. So pretty cool. So that right there is the Jockey Club. We got some pretty good views here. So there's a lot of families filming in this spot. And then we got another one coming up right here, which is Stadium. And this is Taipa Village right in there. There's also a mountain up there called Taipa Grande. And we're going to stop again in a moment here because we're going to get the Galaxy side. So you got casinos up this side too. It's kind of cool. There's like a little pavilion up at the top there as well. So that's all Taipa Village. You can also see the swimming pool right there too. And now we're just kind of got a pretty full scene in here. You can see Galaxy over that way as well. Studio City, this is all new. So they have like the way the train is, it's kind of hard to see stuff because they have all these green barriers between the stop and the next. But then you also have over there, it's overlooking the golf course. So yeah, that's if you got that view, you got the best view, but usually kids usually get that one. So that's the water park in Studio City right there as well. Studio City right there. And there's an entrance right here. It also goes through the border, so people might be coming out at the stop or getting in. We'll see. Out of this one. This is called the Lotus checkpoint, so we'll just kind of give you a little idea. So basically we have all this construction because they're building, oh, you can see a ton of construction over there as well. We had an East Asia game, so if we kept going we just follow through, but I think I'm going to do the Kotai strip and go through it instead. But anyways, you got a little bit of a touch of this train right here. I'm going to try to capture it as it goes. So there goes our train. Heading on out. Pretty cool. They got a nice view on the backside too. Yeah, I wasn't really able to get good views because it was kind of crowded in there, but yeah, that goes all the way to the airport. East Asia Games down that way, and I think I'm going to try to film something a little bit different, but at least I got a touch of it. That's all Koloan. You can see a giant statue at the top. Tons of construction over here because they're building quite a bit, and you can see Studio City over there as well. But anyways, yeah, a little taste, and at the end I'll put a little thing that says end to end train transit line end to end. There you go. So we just came off that, and just to kind of give you an idea, we basically came out this spot, which is in the middle. So originally I was thinking maybe of going to the airport, but we decided here, just kind of end it, and we basically just saw Stadium, Peikoke, West Kotai, and Lotus checkpoint. So we're gonna head on out, and then this one leads directly into, this is all construction. They're gonna build this giant thing. That bridge goes to mainland China, to Hengqin, and Hengqin's gonna be part of this very soon. So they're building all this construction to accommodate all the traffic. That was our spot right there. And then over here, this just leads us directly into Studio City. So in the future, Studio City is going to be quite interesting because it'll have two things happening for it. One, it'll be connected to this train line, and then number two, it'll also be connected to this place that's connected to China over there, where many people will be coming in. So this will be the first casino they come into when they walk across the border. Anyways, it's Studio City and Parisian as well. It'll be pretty interesting when that's done. All right, so that's our station. So come to the end. There's a thing called end to end, and I have lots of other videos riding the train where I got some really good views as well. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Oh, my